Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change power button actions in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. Then go to System and Security and go to Power Options. Here you can see choose what the power buttons do. Click on it. Here you can see the options of your power buttons. If you click here, you can see do nothing, sleep, hibernate, shutdown and turn off this display. If you click here, you can see the same options. Here you can see do nothing, sleep, hibernate and shutdown. Here you can change the settings. After changing your settings, you have to click on Save Changes. That's it. So this is how you can change power button actions in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.